What is up, guys? Future AIR1 speaking. We will do quadratic equations. I have not studied this chapter because studying is for losers, and I am slightly below that. So we will do this. Okay, find a value of a and b and roots. Okay, so we have 5x square minus 10x minus 7 equal to 0, and um and if a roots, right? Yeah, we should find the roots of this. So we know 5 sevens are 30 35. My bad, guys. I just got high on crack. I we need to find if the roots are alpha and beta. We need to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now I thought, bro, we can find the roots and then we can find all of this. But actually, if we have, there's this thing called Sridharachary's formula, right? So if we have x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac whole over 2a, then like if the first root is alpha, that is just this but with plus, and beta would be this but minus. So like alpha plus beta would actually just be minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac whole over 2a, and then we can add minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. This is just the same denominator. This gets cancelled out, so it's just minus 2b by 2a, and that will just be minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is just minus b by a, and if we want alpha into beta, we can just do the same process, minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac whole over 2a, and we multiply this with the same thing, except now it is minus 2a, right? So as you can see, minus this is minus b, this is minus b. I'm separating this out. So minus b and minus b just become square, b square, um and like this plus minus, so that's like minus, but then this is also squared, so b square minus 4ac, and that is a squared, but there's a minus here because it's plus into minus, and 2a is just like 4a squared. Now the beautiful thing is this is now squared, it's plus, this is also squared, but that's because we're just unrevealing the square root. So this is just that, right? We can just ignore the brackets and the root sign. So plus b square minus b square cancel out, and like we can just cancel 4. So and we can take away 1a, so this is just minus c by a, right? So alpha into beta is just minus c by a, which means if 5, if this is a and this is b and this is c, then see alpha plus beta is just minus b by a, which is just mine which is just minus b by a, which is 10 divided by 5, which is 2, so that is 2. And alpha into beta is this c minus, wait, what, minus, wait, is it minus? No, wait, it's minus, right? No, okay guys, this is actually plus, because you see this minus here is making everything plus. So it's like minus minus c by a, which is just c by a. Yeah, okay, my bad guys, this is plus c by a. And if we, and this is c by a, so it's like c by a. And I don't really think we can do more with that. Maybe I could take out a calculator and do something, and then it would be something like minus 1 point minus 1 point minus 1 point, and that is wait a minute, we can just like 5 1 5 2 2 2 2 0, that's like 4, yeah, it's just that 1.40, and this is 2.00. No, it's cool to write it like this, I guess. um Next, as you can see, very easy sum. If you want to screenshot this, then that is cool. Number 2, find the arithmetic mean of the roots of this equation. And this is the equation: x squared minus 14x plus 48 equal to 0. I have no idea how to actually do this, but I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure arithmetic mean of the roots is like, if you take one root as alpha and another root as beta, that's just like alpha plus beta by 2. And we know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. This is b, and this is a, it's 1, if you couldn't tell. Minus b by a, so it's like, and this is minus, and this is b, yeah, b is minus 14, that is this part here, and a is 1. So and obviously, since this is alpha like, this is actually b by 2a, it's like 2 into 1, because you're just multiplying this with half, and this is just like 6 or 7. Okay, that is very difficult sum. This is sum number 2 of some book that our school gave. I don't know. 3 2 plus 1 3 3 piece, oh, see, same, 3p square equal to 5p plus 2, and 3q square equal to 5p not equal, then p, what is this, guys? Okay, so we have, I don't even know what the question is asking. I don't think it's even asking politely, just demanding. What the hell is pq, bro? What is it? 3p square equal to 5p plus 2, and that is one equation. The other equation is 3q square equal to 5q plus 2. 5p plus 2, 5q plus 2, that is, no, that's interesting. P into q. Guys, this looks like the same equation, except that except like this is, instead of p, it's just q. So let's, like, if we just take this one, if we just try simplifying it by taking everything to one side, it's just 3p square minus 5p minus 2 equal to 0. And this is literally the same thing. It's the same equation, guys. It's the same equation. 3q square minus 5q minus 2 equal to 0. This is mind blowing. Okay, this is mind blowing. My mind is blowing, literally. Okay, so like, we can just so as you can see, this is literally the same equation, where the roots are just P and Q, and we need to find PQ, right? So we know, like, one root is alpha and another root is beta. That's what we usually do, because Greek symbols have a lot of aura. And in this equation, we're using English alphabets, which is pretty lame, but it's the same thing, because as we know, multiplication of the roots is just c by a. So if we can take c by a, and this is c and this is a. So this is C and that is A, which is my bad, guys. I forgot to take my meds for a while. Number 4. 4. If A plus B equal to minus 11, or A, what what the hell, bro? Okay, fine. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, like, what is this chapter? Quadratic equation. It's ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And the roots could be like either alpha or it could be beta. You know, I'd rather be the alpha, but that's a different issue. You know, this is actually me right now, and this is you guys. But you know, but the thing is, we're both actually very similar, because if these really are the roots of the equation, that means, like, we can take any x value, like x is either equal to alpha or x is equal to beta, right? So that's why if when we plug into this equation, it's 0, right? So if x is equal to alpha, then x minus alpha is just 0, or x minus beta is equal to 0. So one of these has to be 0. So it's like x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0, right? And that is like what, x square minus, wait, what, x square x into minus beta minus, okay, so like it's minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So this is actually equal to is equal to that. Okay guys. And what does it say? If that is that and that is that. Okay, all right. Okay guys, so the equation would actually be x square minus alpha plus beta. So it's like minus 11, right? So that's minus 11, which minus 11 is just plus 11 x plus, and we have alpha beta, which is 6 or 7. So we will take 7 because it's not 6 at all, is equal to 0. This is equation, and this is answer. Very clean answer, very nice organization. I guess you can tell. Very nice maths is maths. Number 5, prove that both the roots are irrational. X, bro, it's like, this is 5, right? It's x square minus x minus 3. X square minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now um, we know because that one guy told us that x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. And this formula actually makes sense, guys. Don't worry about it, like it. If you check one of my videos, you will actually see that this formula is very sensible formula. But the reason I mention this formula is because the nature of the roots depends on the value of this thing, and it's called a discrimination. And basically, this if this is not a perfect square, like not the root part, like just this part, okay, b square minus 4ac, if the discrimination is not a perfect square root, then it actually won't be rational, right? Because like if b square minus 4ac was some random, so like 7, right, or 6, but let's take 7. So like root of 7, that's and that's not an integer. It's like, so basically the root of 7 is just not in the in this, yeah, okay, which means b square minus 4ac, right? uh b square, yeah, basically what I'm saying is this is b, it's just 1. This is a, which is also just 1. This is c, actually not 1, it's minus 3. And oh yeah, b is actually minus 1. But yeah, you get the point. So if we take b square minus 4ac, this is actually like 1. Oh wait, sorry, not b square minus 4ac, b square plus plus oh no, it is minus, yeah, okay, is like b square minus 4 into a into c. It's like, and this is 1 square, it's just 1, but whatever, guys, it's 1. It's 1 plus 7, which is it's 8. And if you take, and 8 is not a perfect square, because the square root of 8 is 2 root 2, and you see it has this root 2 thing. So if you guys actually do this in a calculator, it would go on, so it's like kind of irrational, which means since big D is irrational, this means the equation is irrational. It's rational. Okay, guys, that is number 5. It's I don't think this sum will come at all in any exam. Number 6. Oh wait, did it? It came in AI CBSE. My bad, guys. It only came in one exam, but I don't think they'll ever give this sum ever again. Number 6. For what values of m will this have equal roots and reciprocal roots? Okay, guys. So the number 6 is x square minus 2mx plus 7m minus 12. What values of m, right? And the first part would be what values would make it have equal roots, and what values would make it have reciprocal roots. Wait, I need to cut this. Reciprocal roots. Okay, guys, so what equal roots means is that alpha is equal to beta, which means the answer is, which means x literally just has one value. Like if this is the equation, then it literally just touches one point on the x-axis. That's what that means. It only has one value which satisfies this being equal to 0, and this one would just mean alpha is equal to 1 by beta. Okay, very good, very good. So if alpha is equal to beta, then alpha plus beta is just 2 alpha, which is just minus b by a. So alpha is just minus b by 2a, and alpha equal to 1 by beta. That would just that would that it would it that would be like alpha plus 1 by beta, which would be um which would be what it would be like alpha equal to 1 by beta, right? Alpha plus 1 by beta, it's like alpha equal to 1 by beta. It's no, wait, it's equal to 1. It's not equal to 1 by beta. It's just that the roots are alpha and 1 by alpha. So ignore this, guys. Alpha or 1 by alpha. So alpha plus 1 by alpha, and ignore this, and that would just be what, alpha square plus 1 by alpha, and that is minus b by a, which would mean which would mean something, and oh right, but if we take alpha into 1 by alpha, it's like, c by a, which is 1. So for this, c would be equal to a. Yeah, that's what that means. Like, if we take ax squared plus bx plus a equal to 0, this has reciprocal roots. Very nice, guys. Very, very good. Insane. Let's take a similar case for when they're equal. So like here, the two roots would just be alpha and alpha again. So adding these up, this will be 2 alpha minus b by a. So alpha is just minus b by 2a. Very cool. Then what? Alpha into alpha, because like the roots are alpha and it's just multiplying the roots together. And that is c by a. C by a, right? Yeah. Alpha squared is c by a. So like alpha is actually just root of c by a. Yeah, so alpha is equal to root c by a, and it is also equal to minus b by 2a. That's unfortunate. It's hard calculation. Okay guys, I was high on crack again, so let's just do 6 again with all the stuff that I know. This is the equation. X squared minus 2 mx plus 7 m minus 12 equal to 0. So obviously this would be a is 1. This would be b, and that would mean the rest of this shit would be c. The rest of ts would be c, and this is all equal to 0. Okay guys, and this is 1. This is not 12. This is 1. Okay, so the first condition is where the roots are equal. Where the roots are equal. Okay guys, so the roots are only equal when b squared minus 4 ac is equal to 0. So like that Also b is minus 2m, not minus 2. I don't know why it would be minus 2. Yeah, so b square minus 4 into a, huge difference, into c, and this is c, and this is c. Okay guys, equal to 0. So wait, do we just get another quadratic equation? Oh no. 4m square minus 4 sevens are like if 2 sevens are 14, then 4 sevens are 28. It's like 28m. And well, this is all just gonna cancel out anyways. Like if we can simplify this shit, so I'm just gonna wait, minus, that's plus. Okay, and this is just gonna be 4 into 12. I already know it's 36, but like I'm just gonna keep it like this. No, so it's not 36, it's actually 12. So m square minus 7m and m plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay guys, which means 12, right? 12 is like m square minus 3m minus 4m plus 12. It's still 0. M, like, yeah, I just middle term now. I'm gonna do it the long way because I'm still in class 10. M, and then m minus 3, then like 4m plus 12, right? So 4 m m minus 3. Yeah, oh yeah, it's supposed to be, yeah, the same. It's like m minus 4, m minus 3 equal to 0. So like for the roots to be equal, m has to be equal to 4 or 3. Wait, that can be right. Never mind guys, it's actually correct. And number 2 is reciprocal. Okay, whatever guys, reciprocal roots, right? It's like a is equal to c. That was the condition. Why was that the condition? Oh yeah, because like a into 1 by a is equal to 1, which is equal to c by a, so a is equal to c. Yeah, okay, fine. Reciprocal roots is a is what? A is 1, and c is plus 7m minus 12, plus 7m minus 12. Okay, which just means 7m is equal to 12 and m is equal to 12 by 7. Somehow this is also correct this whole time. My phone is going to run out of storage recording this 740p video, so number 7, and that says like if one root of this is like double the other one, then find k value. Yeah, okay, so if that is equation and the roots are like alpha and 2 alpha, then what will this thing be? So like what if we just add these up together, that will be 3 alpha, and that will be, okay, wait, case c. So this won't be that useful, but 3 alpha won't be that useful, but what about 2 alpha square, because we're multiplying these now, right? This is us multiplying them. That will be k by a. It'll be k by a, and honestly this one looks shockingly useful now, because 3 alpha is b by a. Also case 2, it's given right here. Case 2 2 alpha is k by 2, and 3 alpha is minus b, so like minus 5 by a, it's 2. Yeah, 3 alpha is just that. So turns out this whole time alpha is like 5 by 6. That's it. Yeah, 5 by 6. I'm just, yeah, 2 alpha, k by 2, so like it's what, 4 into 25 by 36, 12. That's the value of k. This cannot be correct, bro. This cannot be correct. Okay, so they actually expressed it in terms of mixed fractions, which makes more sense. But 25 by 12, it's just like 2, and it's like 2 1 by, wait, this is okay, guys. I took my medication again and I found out 36 divided by 4 is actually not 12, it's 9. So this is 25 by 9, and this, and that actually that becomes 2, and like the remainder is 7 by 9, which is actually the answer. Okay, my phone is officially out of storage now.